gives us energy to do work. But do plants also need food? Plants, like us, need food to survive. Green plants are autotrophs. Auto is from the ancient Greek autos, meaning self, and troph from trophos, meaning nourishment. Green plants can make their own food. The process by which the plants make food is called photosynthesis. We will discover the full meaning of this word as we learn more about it. What do you think plants make during photosynthesis? Plants make a simple sugar called glucose during photosynthesis. This sugar is stored in plants as starch. Let's modify the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make sugar. Testing for the presence of starch confirms the occurrence of photosynthesis. When we cook food, we need some raw materials. What do plants need to make their food? The two raw materials required for the process of photosynthesis are water and carbon dioxide. The plant absorbs water from the soil. This water travels through tubes in the root, stem, branches, and veins of the leaves. The second raw material, carbon dioxide, is a gas. This gas enters the plant through small openings on the leaf surface called stomata. Let's add these two raw materials in our definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make sugar using carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis takes place in the green parts of plants. Let's take a trip inside the leaf to find out more. Inside the leaf, you can see many plant cells. Once we enter a plant cell, we find structures called chloroplasts. These are the kitchens of the plant. Further inside this kitchen are the plant's special chefs that help in making food. These are green pigments called chlorophyll. The green color of the plant parts is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Photosynthesis takes place in all green parts of the plant. These chlorophyll molecules cannot work in the dark. They absorb light during daytime and get excited to make food. This also explains the process is named photosynthesis. If we split this word, photo is from the ancient Greek phos, phot meaning light, and synthesis from synthetenai, meaning to put together. It's time to update our definition. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make sugar using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light, chlorophyll. Did you know? Algae found in water bodies and some bacteria are also photosynthetic. Now that the plant has all the necessary ingredients for making food, let's find out just what happens in the plant's kitchen. Chlorophyll absorbs light and gets excited. Chlorophyll helps in combining water and carbon dioxide to make sugar. One important byproduct formed during the process of photosynthesis is oxygen. This gas comes out through the stomata of the leaves. Let's complete our definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of making sugar and oxygen using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light and chlorophyll.